Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this puff stitch square pattern which looks similar from the back and from the front as well. This can be used as a hot pad if a cotton thread is used for this, and square can be used to make blankets, baby blankets, cushion cover and so forth and so on. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for the project are yarn of 2 color, the choice of color depends on you, a pair of scissors and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's begin. At first we have to pick up the tail of the yarn, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through and make a slip knot. Now yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now pull through the yarn a little big, yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain, pull through, into the same chain again, pull through, again into the same chain. So this is the third loop. Now fourth and fifth. Now hold the yarn from here, insert the hook into all the loops, pull through. Now insert the hook into the yarn that we have holded, pull through 2. Now fourth petal is ready. Chain 1, pull the yarn a little big. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through. This is second. Now third, fourth and this is fifth one. Now hold the loop, pull through all the loops, insert the hook into the loop that we have holded, pull through both the loops. Again chain 1, pull the loop a little bigger, insert the hook into the same chain, pull through 2, 3, 4 and this is fifth one. Now we don't have to close this petal. Yarn over, into the first chain that we have left earlier, insert the hook in and make 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, yarn over. Now 4 and this is the fifth one. Hold the yarn from here, pull through all the loops on the hook, pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook, pull through both the loops. Now fourth round is ready. We have to cut the yarn from here and we are going to add color B to the pattern. To add color B, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through, make a slip knot. Now we have to join the yarn from the chain in between and we have to join the color B with a slip stitch. Now pull the yarn a little big, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Now hold the yarn from here, pull through, insert the hook into the yarn that we have holded, pull through. There are 2 loops, pull through both loops and chain 1. Now on the top of this petal we have to make 1 more petal. Yarn over, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold the yarn from here, pull through all the loops, insert the hook into the loop that we have holded, pull through both the loops. Again pull the yarn a little big into the same chain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we don't have to close this petal. Yarn over, into the same chain, insert the hook in, pull through, pull through 5 times, 3, 4, 5. Now hold the yarn from here, pull through all the, insert the hook into the loop that we have folded, into the yarn that we have folded, pull through both the loops. Now pull the yarn a little bit and insert the hook into the chain for 5 times, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we don't have to close it. Into the next chain, insert the hook for 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hold the yarn from here, pull through all the loops. Now insert the hook into the yarn that we have folded, pull through 2. Corner of the square we have to make like this. We have to make 2 more petals and 1 petal in the same chain to make the next corner. So complete the round following the same pattern. After the round is complete, we have made a petal, or we can call it a puff, and now we have to join these stitches here with a slip stitch. Now the second round of the pattern is complete. We are going to join this color from here with a slip stitch. Again, when we have added the yarn A to the pattern, pull the yarn a little bit, pull through the chain 5 times, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now hold the yarn, pull through, into the yarn, pull through 2, chain 1, pull through the chain for the 5 times. Now into the next chain, pull through 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the yarn from here, pull through all the loops, insert the hook into the yarn from where we hold it, pull through both the loops. Again, chain 1, into the same chain space, pull through 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over into the next chain space, pull through 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold the yarn from here, pull through all the loops, pull through 2. Now chain 1, pull through 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the yarn, pull through 2, chain 1, pull through 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the same loop for the corner, we are making one more puff. Hold the yarn, pull through all the loops, pull through two. So this is first corner of the square. So complete making the square by making a puff into each chain space, but at the corner we have to make 2 puffs into the same chain with 2 puffs on the top, while on the other chain space we have to make 1 puff on the top of previous round and at the top of the puff. So complete the round following the same pattern. Now third round for the pattern is complete, and this is how we have completed the square. If you want to continue with the pattern, you can change the color according to the use. So keep on continuing the pattern in the same way, but the stitches keep on growing. So if you have liked the pattern, make one for yourself. Thank you so much.